Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a ventilated area, stable table, and the correct paint and filament. Turn on the machine and connect to the control software, then load your 3D model and choose the paint profile. Calibrate the bed and nozzle height so the first pass sticks properly. Prime the paint lines until flow is steady. Once done, run a quick test pattern to confirm alignment and color mapping, because early calibration saves time and reduces rework later. You now execute the core painting sequence. Start with conservative layer height and moderate speed, then watch paint flow and registration closely. Adjust paint pressure or flow in small increments to prevent overspray. Smooth, consistent motion yields clean gradients. Make sure to protect unpainted areas with masking or jigs, and pause after the first few layers to inspect registration and color accuracy. Once done, correct any drift immediately so errors don't compound, because mid-process fixes are far easier than end-of-run repairs. You finish by slowing the machine for fine details and letting each coat cure fully before the next pass. This prevents smudging and color bleed. Once complete, stop the job, retract paint, and run a cleaning cycle on the nozzle and supply lines to avoid clogs. Remove the part carefully with the recommended tools, then inspect for defects. If alignment or banding appears, realign the axes and rerun calibration. That one corrective calibration step fixes most final.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.